In this video, we are going to talk about a simple strategy which has a very high win ratio, and this strategy is time independent. Like you can use this strategy at any point of time. It should not have to have on at 9:30 a.m. New York time or 2 p.m. London time, right? So, what is this strategy and what are the major components of a strategy? We'll discuss in this video. So, guys, welcome to my channel. This is Omhan from Omhan Trading, and we discuss in this channel we discuss about Propfirm trading and how to make money in dollars, how to make money using simple strategies. No 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute jig jig, and no 4 hour daily time frame tension, right? So let me write some pointers where we are heading and how to use this strategy, right? So I will start from Sunday, right, so that you can see in the live market or in the screen over here how we are using a strategy and making money. So for your information, I passed my 10K account in one day, right? So I will show you my screenshot so that you believe in me, right? So if you'll see, this is the funding pips account, 10,000 account, and one day profit was on June 8. I started this account, and in one day I made around $872, right? So to pass the account, you need to make around 8%. So which I did very easily, very comfortably using proper RR, proper win rate, and proper SL and all, right? So now let's come to the let's come to the strategy, right? Where did it go? What happened? So one sec. Okay. So I think you can see the screen, I guess, and I will have to check it later on whether the screen is visible or not. So the components of this strategy, let's write it one by one. So the first and the most important component is that you need to have a direction, right? So we are not trading any reversal here. We are not trading any kind of breakouts. We are only trading the pullbacks. So first condition is that you need to have a impulsive leg, right? Then second condition is the pullback, right? So in the pullback, what we need is we need two things: the location of the pullback and the candle pattern at the pullback at the location. Sorry, right? And one more thing that I forgot to mention was that we are using only 15-minute time so that we are not rushing the trade and we are not entering the trade in the FOMO or fear of missing out, right? So what is the location? Location is FVG, 15-minute FVG, no other time frame, right? The second is uh, swing high low, false break of swing high and low in the direction of the trend. I will explain this concept later on. Swing low, swing high, right? So these are the two locations, and the candle that we are looking at these points are Marubozu kind of candle, then engulfing candle, and third is pin bar candle. I think till now I'm very clear for you guys, right? So I will again move on and I will come to the chart and see whether we are getting any trades or not. I will also explain the exit criteria and the entry criteria, right? So here, so we'll trade this. The instrument that we're trading is only US Tech in the CFD. You can use it in futures. It won't have any issue. You can use it in CFDs also, right? So let's first identify the first leg. So here you can very easily see that there was a two impulsive candle, right? So this was the impulsive move, correct? After the impulsive move, we are getting a FEG over here, right? So this is your FEG that we're getting, and this was the location, right? FEG or swing high, swing low. So this was the location. Then there is very clearly you can see over here there was a pin bar candle, right? Two pin bar candles back to back. So this is a very strong probability condition that we are having, right? So what you will do is you will short. I am mentioning the SL also. So you will short here. Your stop loss will be the candle high, and you will trail uh, this trade till there is some sign of weakness. So for example, over here you can see my stats say that I am getting around 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3 in between that kind of trades, right? So most of the time I will book my profit at these kind of level where I am getting 1 is to 3, because most of the time I will not get more than 1 is to 3. So that is the stats which is saying this thing, right? So this is your entry, and you can see very easily the wick formation over here, right? So this is your exit, 1 is to 3 in one trade, right? In 1 hour, right? Again, you can see the same thing. Other thing that you can see is if your FEG is not getting tapped, right? What you can do is you can use concept of SMT. So for example, this is US 500, this is US Tech, right? Here you can see there is a clear leg formation. In US Tech also there is a clear leg formation, right? US Tech did not tap this FEG, right? This FEG right over here. But if you'll go to the US 500 chart, you will see very easily that it got tapped, right? So what you will do, you will again sort here. One sec, guys. So you will again sort here. This will be your SL, and you will again exit after getting 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 4, whichever you are comfortable with, right? So this is the strategy, guys, that I wanted to discuss. Again, now we saw the example of FEG getting tapped. Now we'll see the double top and double bottom entry, right? So let's go to the double bottom and combine it with SMT, right? So look at this chart. This is your one leg, right? This is your one leg over here. This is your one leg over here, right? Now here you can see very easily that uh, US Tech tapped this swing low, right? But US 500 did not, right? So there was no candle formation, but you got Marubozu after two candles, right? After 30 minutes, you got the Marubozu candle. So this will be your entry, and you can target at least the swing high, or you can trail it like swing low to swing low, right? So if you would have trailed it and targeted for 1 is to 3, right? You would have very easily gotten 1 is to 3, right? It is even giving you 1 is to 4, but let's focus on 1 is to 3, right? So in three trades, we are getting three beautiful example and three beautiful trades which are giving us 1 is to 3, 1 is to 2 kind of trades, which is more than sufficient to pass the account in like uh, 1 or 2 days, right? don't forget to do the risk management part, right? So this is what we got today. And if you'll see today's 9:30 example, I think it gave entry very, very late, but it did, right? So here if you'll see the short example, this was your entry, but since this candle is very big, right? So your target should be very less. So here 1:1 is more than sufficient because the market has already moved from here to here, right? From uh, it has already it is already down by 1.5%, and now you cannot expect more than 1:1, right? So this is your 1:1 trade, and you are done for the day. So guys, I hope you like this video and you learned something out of it. I will continue to make video and I will continue to share my trades and my journey. I will also attach a Discord link on the bottom or on the comment section of this video so that you can join that Discord link and we can discuss your problem. I can share my trades and I can give some calls if possible. So thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you will continue to come into my channel and enjoy the content. Thanks a lot.